My name is Sergej Kunz. I'm co-founder of One Inch Network, software engineer, software architect for 18 years, security expert as well. And I'm here to tell a little bit about our story and to also to tell you why we are doing something, like why we are doing that, what we are doing. So, first of all, who know how the first Porsche was built? Someone maybe, or why the first Porsche was built. So this is really nice story. I was working for Porsche 3 years, I would say, and I'm still feeling a Porschianer, we call us. I have still the spirit in me, and the spirit says if you do something, you need to have a reason for this. So the first Porsche was built by Ferry Porsche, the son of Ferdinand Porsche, who was working. The father of Ferry Porsche was working with Mercedes-Benz, with VW, and the Ferry Porsche was looking for a car, but he didn't find the sport roadster car he was looking for, and that's why he told, "Okay, I'm gonna build it by myself." So that's why. Also, in our case, we decided to build something by ourselves. So over 4 years, we have built aggregation protocol, with which we started for swaps among decentralized exchanges to improve the prices for the users, to improve user experience. We have built a lot of protocols, decentralized order book protocols, liquidity protocols, our fusion matching engine, which is using smart contracts as settlement in fully decentralized and permissionless manner. We are working on something like one-inch hardware wallet, which solve huge pain, my personal pain. So I don't need to have multiple ledgers or treasures in my safe or in my flat. In everything what we are building, there's a reason behind that. So our performance, maybe if you don't know us, so we keep 70% of market share for aggregation, for decentralized order books, protocols. We raised 190 million from professional investors and use this money highly efficient to build, innovate, to improve the space. We have more than 150 core contributors around the globe. And I agree to the ledger presentation here. The space is still small. It's really small if you compare to the traditional finances. We have 10 million wallets who generated 368 of billions of US dollars in just 4 years. This is insane. So we have this picture, and it says, if you go to the left, you face the turning path, and this is what I have seen when I came to Web3. We didn't actually call it Web3, like back 2017, and you face bad user experience. You face sandwich attacks, front-running attacks right now in Ethereum. You face hacks. So someone hacked a liquidity protocol, and everyone who put money into it lost it. And our mission, how we see, is to build the right side of this picture. Success, rainbow, unicorns, fun, yeah. We try to push and innovate as much as we can with all resources we got. So, and also the support for the community. So how it started, that's me on the hackathon back in 2019. And we are just simple software engineers who traveled around the globe, participated in hackathons. Hackathon is a competition for developers. So we participated between 2018 and 2020 in more than 20 hackathons around the globe. Most of them Ethereum hackathons, and one of them on ETH New York, we came to the idea that it makes no sense to exchange in one single liquidity source. it makes no sense to go to bank or to Uniswap or to Kyber back into the days and just try to exchange one asset against another, but you don't know how deep the liquidity is, what are the rates, so you need to spend time, and time means also money, and potentially you will lose if you're wrong, if you get worse rate on one of these exchanges which you use. And we came to the idea that it makes sense to use algorithms, yeah, to just find the best distribution among decentralized exchanges. And that's me, not in the bed, that's me here with the blanket in the second night, because my body stopped to warm up anymore, because I guess it was the second night, sleepless night. In total, I didn't sleep 56 hours on the hackathon. It's my personal record. It works. At the end of the hackathon, around 9 a.m. Sunday, the room behind me started to change. It started to move, and I didn't know where I am, but I knew I have to finish it. And no one was taking care of actually about my pitches, because I was very, very bad in pitching. But one guy, the organizer of ETH Global, Liam Horn, he said this is the next big thing, but I didn't trust them at all. After a couple of weeks, Anton called me and asked, did you see? We have volume. And we recognize that people start sharing the link of the application, which we have built over 2 nights, and using it. And it was really a pleasure to build over these 4 or 5 years on this project, and like protocols, self-custody wallets, and so on. And to see people who are using it, yeah. And it gives motivation for developers to build when they see that the product is used. Nowadays, our algorithm looks a little bit different at the beginning. We just split it between multiple liquidity sources. Nowadays, we are doing crazy things. From our point of view, we could theoretically use this algorithm for inter-galaxy jumps with space shuttles. we have like 350 servers running the algorithm. We use multiple liquidity dApps. I would love to see it in a traditional world, so people are not just going to one exchange and an exchange asset, just on one single source. As soon we have traditional finance moved to blockchain, we can actually use these algorithms to perform the best execution on the whole market. Since the last December, we launched, I pitch it as a decentralized Nasdaq approach. People create orders. On the other side, we have professional market makers who execute and fill the orders in a P2P manner by using smart contracts as settlement without intermediates and a single point of failure. Yeah, and in this case, you see 3,700 Ethereum were traded against USDT with a better rate than the market rate, since we gave the opportunity in time to sell this position and arbitrage, and let the market makers also doing the arbitrage among all liquidity sources, also centralized exchanges. Yeah, that's it. So my message to everyone, yeah, just do something if it makes sense, yeah, and don't stop, yeah.
That's a good message. Give him a big round of applause, everyone.